Welcome to Mortgage Monday. I'm Matthew Poole. So I'm going to show you today the most common 3 ways to finance your home improvements, and I'm going to show you as well how to understand what finance option will suit you best. So today I'm going to show you my top 3 finance options on how to fund your home improvements. Now, the first option that may suit you is a unsecured personal loan. Now, these types of finances are good for people who are looking to raise generally up to £25,000. These are done usually over a short term, up to 5 years. Some will do 7 years, some will even do 10 years as a maximum. Interest rates on these will start at around 3%. However, be wary, these rates can vary quite significantly. So the headline rates you see online, on the television, they will be reserved for a very select number of people. And once you go through an application of a personal loan, once the application is completed, the lender will then decide what interest rate they're prepared to lend to you. So what you get offered at the start may be completely different to what you actually get offered once the application is completed. A good tip on this one is if you are thinking about a personal loan, you can check your eligibility as to the acceptance chances online with a soft credit search. So at the start of the videos I showed you the Credit Club Money Saving Expert. On there is a tool where you can pop your details in, pop in the amount you want to lend, and it'll give you your chances of success as well. This is also useful if you are looking to get the money in the bank very quickly. With unsecured personal loans, there's a very quick turnaround from application to acceptance to money in the bank. So the second option is a secured loan. So a secured loan is like a second mortgage, and as the title suggests, it's secured against your property. Now, the benefits of a secured loan is it can be a long-term finance option like your mortgage, so you can spread the cost over a longer period of time. Rates on secured loans do tend to be that little bit higher because it is in essence a second mortgage, and it can start at around 5%. The rate you'll get offered on a secured loan will again depend on how much you want to lend, what your credit history is looking like, and also your loan to value of the property. So the more money you're lending against the value of the property, the higher the interest rate will be because the risk is higher to the lender. Now, a secured loan can be useful in certain circumstances, and it may be if you've got a really low interest rate on your mortgage. There are certain interest rates knocking about from before the credit crunch that people have managed to keep hold of. It may be below 1% on your mortgage and you might not want to give it up, so a secured loan could be a good option in that instance. The second benefit of a secured loan is if you're in a tied interest rate on your mortgage, you may be in a long-term fixed rate with a high penalty to get out of your mortgage. If that's the case, again, a secured loan may be the best option to keep that rate on your mortgage as well. Now, the third option, and probably the most common route, is the mortgage route. Now, the mortgage route is typically your lowest rate of interest over the longer period of time. What you can also do with your mortgage as well is refinance your existing mortgage plus your home improvement loan as well, and get the whole mortgage on a really low interest rate for the long term as well to make it work for yourself and your family. With a mortgage as well, there's literally thousands of products to choose from as well, so we can always find out what your best situation is and what the best rate is for your current circumstances. With a mortgage as well, you've also got the help of a broker potentially as well. Now, a broker will find the best deal for you, do all the work for you as well, and in my video next week I will show you how to use a broker and how to find the right one for yourself. Thanks for joining me again on Mortgage Monday. I hope you found that video useful around the finance options that may be available to you. If you'd like any further information or any guidance on this, comment below with the word finance and I'll send you some top tips on how to go about looking at the best option for yourselves. And then join me next week where I'll start showing you how to look for a broker if you go down the mortgage route and what to look for in a broker. Follow me on LinkedIn, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you next week.